My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Kia Sportage. This vehicle has done just over 59,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have features such as voice control. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. We also have a keyless ignition and automatic headlights. On our screen, using the buttons just below, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, navigation, information, and settings. Just below that, we have our dual zone climate control, which we can access through this button here, which allows us to change the passenger side and driver side. Just below that, we have our heated seats on either side, our aux and USB port. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather, black and grey interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.